Hey guys, Evan1994 here, and what you're about to see is me building my PC. It's not like a step-by-step, constant video of me building it, just because I can't hold the camera and build a computer at the same time. So I show after every step, after I get something opened, after I install one thing, and I just quickly show the clip of the progress on the PC. Now this might not be for everyone. If you're not interested in seeing me building a computer, that's quite alright. If you are interested and you like the video, leave a rating, I guess. And that's about it, I guess. So, hope you enjoy. Oh yeah, and this might be the first time seeing my face for some of you, so this is me. Yeah, right here we have the Thermaltake Armor A90 case. Pretty nice. Right here we got the Antec 650 watt power supply. Right there is my recording capture card, you know. Right here we got our Intel Core i7 processor. It's the 2600K. Right here I have a wireless adapter, so I don't need a wire going all through my house just to get some internet. Right here I got my 8 gigs of RAM, 2 4 gigs, and under this there's my P8 P67 motherboard by ASUS. And right here is my Powercolor Radeon HD 6950, and I already have it out of the package since it was in my old computer because I just got it recently. And back there I just have a 160 gig hard drive. I might upgrade that, I'm not sure. I do have a 1 terabyte external hard drive, so I don't know about upgrading it or not. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this for recording, but I'm gonna build this computer, and yeah, maybe I'll just record it in steps. So right now we got that. Next step, I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so I just got the processor in there. That's the i7. I'm gonna get the heatsink on and I'll come back in a second. Alright, so I got the heatsink on. That was one of my, that was like my fork in the road, you could say. I was scared about doing that because what if I broke one of the prongs under the, to get it on? If I broke that, I'd be screwed. It wouldn't go on right, and some serious things could happen, like overheating. That wouldn't be good, because I did a practice run on my super old computer, and turns out the prong actually broke, and it overheated, just like I said. And I'd have to get some new thermal paste or something to get that working again. So I got this on good. It clicked into place nice and good. I'm pretty happy about that. And I don't know what goes in next. I guess I could do the RAM. Yeah, I'll do the RAM and we'll see where I go from there. Alrighty, so I got both sticks of RAM in, as you can see. Both 4 gigs. That was kind of scary, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, when you pay, I just paid what, $70, $80, I can't remember exactly. And I'm applying the most insane amount of pressure just to get these latched in. That's scary stuff, you know. I get scared that I'm gonna break something and it's not gonna work. I don't know, it's scary. But now, I guess I do the video card. I can't think of what else I would do right now. Got my video card and the power supply, but that goes in the case when I'm all ready. So yeah, I guess I do the video card now. And I guess I'll put it right into here. And we'll see where that takes us. Alrighty, I've actually decided not to do that yet. I'm gonna get the case opened. And yeah. Alright, so I got the case open. Pretty big. To It's actually huge compared to what I'm used to. Up here we got this big, nice, like, I think it's 200 millimeter fan. I think that's, I don't know, I can't remember how they, or what they called it. That's a smaller fan. And then, you can't really see it, but right, yeah, you can kind of see it. There's a fan right there. That's intake. That's intake, I believe, also. Maybe that's exhaust, I can't remember. But that's definitely exhaust, because it's in the back. So once I get the motherboard in, I will come back. Okay, you have no idea how stressful that was. That at least took me an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, to just to get the motherboard in. Yeah, okay, so you're probably wondering, why did it take so long? So I'll show you. See, on the back, there's like this metal panel where everything goes in, and that would not fit at all. Like, I couldn't get it all, like the inputs to fit through, and I finally got it, and it's in sturdy. You know, you can't like pull it out or anything. I got the screws in. So now what I gotta do is I'm gonna put in the DVD drive. So I'll get back to you when that's in. Alright, so I got the DVD drive in. It is just up here. No tools right there. So that was kind of easy just to get in. And in the front, open it up. There's our DVD drive. I'm glad it fit. I mean, of course it fit, but that was a lot easier than the last thing I did, which was the motherboard. Alright, I apologize if you hear anything in the background, like a TV. It's my sister, but I got, that's my video card, or not my video card, my capture card. That's my video card. It takes up 2 spaces, and then right there is my wireless card. So that's where I'm going to get my internet from. And I think that's about it. Oh, I need the power supply right there. So I'll come back when I get that in, and maybe I'll put in an extra fan. I don't know yet. We'll see. But yeah, I'll be back. Alright, there you have it. Let me put my light on. There we go. So I got the power supply in there. I mean, there's a few wires right there. I don't know where I can put these possibly. And up here, that's the CPU wire. I mean, it's not like, it's decent, like it's some decent wiring. It's not completely all over the place. It's basically just these for the video card that are like sticking out, and there's a lot of stuff that you can't see, and down there too. So I mean, I think I did a good job. I hope I got everything plugged in. Took me a while to figure out how or where to like plug in the front audio jacks and the front LED jacks, but I found it out. Those are like the LED and everything, and over here, see that wire? This gray one? That comes into right there. So it took me a little while to figure that out, but I got it. So, good to go. Now, hopefully it boots up. And also, oh, I gotta plug in that DVD drive. And there's the beast. There's the final product. DVD. And you can't really see anything right there. Wait, light. Yeah, so you can see inside the computer there. Heatsink and all that. RAM, whatever. Can put another fan right there. I need to buy one though. I don't know if I'll do that or not. And up here, there's another fan. There's the side. And the back has another fan. There's all the plugins. I'll have to plug in the antenna right there. I got those somewhere. There's the video card, takes up 2 slots, and then down here's my capture card. So yeah, there you have it. Alrighty, so hope you enjoyed the video. This is my current setup. If you're wondering, it's really bad right now since I got this new PC. PC's right here. Nice LEDs. Looks very nice. It's really big. That's what she said. No, but yeah, it's really big computer, and I'm just like basically on the floor right now. I need a computer desk. I haven't got that yet. Down there's my PS3, my Xbox. It's not even plugged in. Hasn't been touched in like ages. My phone. And yeah, nothing really exciting. It's a pretty lame setup right now. I do have like a 22-inch TV though, so it's kind of nice. And that's like an endless loophole. That's what I'm using to record right now. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. And that's about it. Peace!